My name is Violeta Godino. I worked at Sky Lakes Medical Center in the Med-Surg department. What I love about being a nurse at Sky Lakes is that I have support, a great support system here. I have done all my clinicals here. What attracted me to the nurse residency program at Sky Lakes is that I was not ready to be on my own. I needed extra support, and I've definitely achieved that in these 3 months that I've been here. I was not confident, and I feel that now, after working with other nurses and just getting my hands on, I am more confident than when I first started. The most rewarding thing about being a nurse is being there for people that at their most vulnerable time in their lives, being there, holding their hand, and listening to their worries. I started my nursing career after I lost my husband, and it was during that time that I fell in love with nursing. Everything about nursing really interests me. And so in 2020, I began pursuing a nursing career in Klamath Falls. I've had the honor of working with two amazing preceptors, people that have also been through the residency program who know exactly what it is to be a new nurse. One of the things that I love about Klamath, I love the scenery. I love the community. I love that it's a small town. I love that I don't have to rush places because traffic is not crazy. What makes Sky Lakes a great place to work and me considering staying here is that it's a small enough hospital where you don't feel rushed and everybody knows who you are, but it's a big enough place for you to get the experience that you need, especially as a new grad. It's a family. Everybody makes you feel welcome, and everybody's engaging. They know that you are a new nurse, and everybody's there to help you look for anything or just be understanding that you might not know everything, and they're there to help. For anybody considering the residency program at Sky Lakes, I would say go for it. I didn't have any background in healthcare, so I was not confident coming in. And now that I am here, I just feel that is the best decision that I've ever done, and I look forward to working here and staying here in the Sky Lakes.